So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download, set up, and use the ChatGPT-4 desktop app, which is available for both Windows and macOS. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for ChatGPT desktop app. Then, visit the official website from OpenAI. Scroll down, and you'll find the download links for Windows and macOS. For Windows users, the download link will take you to the Microsoft Store. Alternatively, you can directly visit Microsoft Store link through Google search results. Next, click on View in Microsoft Store. Once the Microsoft Store page opens, hit the Install button. Now, wait while the app downloads and installs on your system. Once it's installed, click Open to launch the app. You can view the app by checking the hidden icons in the system tray on Windows. Alright, at this point, we need to either sign up or log in to the app. For now, I'll show you how to create a temporary account. Let's do this step by step. Open Google and search for temporary email. Visit any website from the search results. Copy the temporary email and use it to create an account. Choose a strong password for your account. Next, you'll need to verify your email address. Open your temporary email inbox, find the verification email, and complete the process. Then, go back to the ChatGPT app. Choose the login option and use the account credentials you just created to log in. Now here's a handy tip. Remember the keyboard shortcut, Alt+Space, for quick access to the app. Okay, at last, your app is ready to use. This app also lets you access ChatGPT-4 for free, which is fantastic. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.